All right. What is up, guys? So, Malma here with the Online Money Hooks channel on YouTube. Feel free to subscribe. And in this video, we're going to be talking about 6 ways that you can go ahead and actually make money online, even if you don't have a job. And that's what we're going to be talking about in this video. I don't mean to drag this video very long. I just hope to make it very short, clear, and concise for you guys. So, when it comes to making money online, even if you don't have a job, there are various ways that you can make money online, provided you have an internet connection and you've got some free time, you've got a laptop or you've got a phone. You can go ahead and do these jobs that we're going to be talking about. So we're going to be talking about basically 6 methods that you can do. And one of my first favorite methods is freelancing. So when we talk about freelancing, it's where you offer your services for a pay. Let's say you're good at, let me open one of the freelance sites, which will be upwork.com. These are one of the freelancing sites. This is where you basically sell your products in terms of your skills, or your skills that you've got. You can come over here and people would be willing to pay you some really good money for you to do some works for them. So you can you see, find your freelance or agency. So there are two types of people here. There are people that are hiring, and there are people that are offering jobs that you can do online from the comfort of your home. So basically, one of them is web, mobile, and software development, design and creative. You can do some writing, you can do some sales and marketing, engineering and architecture, depending on your skill set, your career choices, and your career path, what you have about, what knowledge you have, stuff about. You can do admin work, you can do customer support. So how it works is, there are two ways. People post jobs here, then you as a freelancer, you bid. So you write a proposal about a particular job, then I can go through your proposal, and if they like your skill set, your background, your resume, then they'll go ahead and pick you. And once the job is done, you get paid. So there are various types of accounts on Upwork. There's a free basic account where you need to have a verified work history and reviews. You can have unlimited proposals, built-in collaboration. So this is basically a free service. Then there is one that you can be paying for $50 per month, but for you guys, I would recommend just go for the free account anyway. So it's free. So this is basically how it works. So as you can see, the top skills right now that are trending on Upwork are Android developer, a bookkeeper, data administrator, content writer, data scientist, copywriters, Facebook developers, information security analysts, logo designers, resume writer, software developers, UI designer, WordPress developers, web designers, technical writer. So if you're good at SEO, you're good at blogging, you can come here and offer your services all for free, and you get paid. You don't even have to pay anything. So if you're in the US and other countries, it's not really that limited to the country. Almost anybody in any part of the world can earn from this service. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump onto the second one, which is service-based local businesses. So you can offer a local business. This would be maybe landscaping. So if you go online and check local business services, you can come over here and you can check. There's an article that was written, in fact, about this. So you can start a very small local business depending on the time you have available to you, what you're able to offer, and all that kind of stuff. You can always come online and start your own business, and you can just basically put it up there. So if we go to Instagram, for example, hope I can do a search on Instagram so that I can show you an example of some really cool local businesses that almost anybody can jump onto. So as you can see, pet grooming, collectibles, So you can be one of those people that groom people's pets. You're good at graffiti, golf club cleaning, self-defense instructor. So is there a whole bunch of stuff that you can do. You can be a mobile mechanic, one of those mechanics that just work on their own and they're able to move from one space to another and fix vehicles for people. You can do tutoring if you have a high school algebra degree or something. You can always offer your services. Parking and unparking service, you can deliver, you can do Uber and all that kind of stuff. Next is an affiliate marketing business. So with affiliate marketing, the way it works is you go to sites like ClickBank. So websites like ClickBank offer some really good affiliate programs. So affiliate marketing is where you sell somebody's product and earn a commission for it. So there are some blogs that do affiliate marketing. So affiliate marketing blogs. So you can search for some top affiliate marketing blogs and see which ones are doing really well and what are they about, so that you guys can have an idea. So what you do is you basically come over here to clickbank.com. Clickbank has a lot of amazing programs that you can promote. If you're into health, if you're into music, if you're into languages, if you're into surfing, you can promote a product. So what you do is once you come over here, you go to affiliate marketplace. Once you're at affiliate marketplace, you find your industry that you're in. So basically maybe you're into green products, so you can go to green products and you can pick an offer. So as you can see, this one pays an average of $44.08 for every sale that comes in. There's a gravity of 116. I mean 116 affiliates have been paid. I don't know if it's in the past month or past few weeks, but the higher this number, the better this product is converting. So let's see. So if we basically search for this product, new product of Backyard Revolution. So we go to Backyard Revolution, Backyard Revolution. So if we go to Backyard Revolution, and they've got reviews, Backyard Revolution review, Backyard Revolution reviews. So these guys are all affiliates, and what they are doing is they've written this about, they've written a review about this very product right here. And what happens is once you read this review and you like it, you can basically go ahead and order if you like it. So if somebody clicks on that link, probably going to take us to the sales page. You can see that this is an affiliate link, so it takes us to the sales page. This is where they get to sell you, explain about the product and the service, and there is a button here that pops up that you can click to be able to purchase this product. So cool. And that's about affiliate marketing. I plan to do an in-depth video, but this is just an overall look. The next one is this one, which is coaching and consulting. So there are a lot of people, there are a lot of online coaches that are really offering coaching services and consulting services that are being paid a lot of money for it. They are coaching about social media ads, social media marketing. So if we search for coaches and consultants, so business coaches and consultants, you see that there's a lot of people that are offering this service. So as you can see, this is an ad about business consultant, and so having post also did a post about this exact method. So there's a lot of, so like these guys coach you how to grow a business. You can talk to an expert accountant today about everything. So it's a whole lot of different types of coaches and services that these guys are really offering. So business coach versus consultant, which one is right for you? So that's another method. The other method is e-commerce. You can do e-commerce, you can do flipping stuff on Amazon and eBay. So e-commerce is where we have stuff like Shopify stores. so these are called drop shipping websites. These are basically websites where you get to be taught. This is why you have things on your store. So people come over here, and they get to buy this stuff. Now, it doesn't mean these people are actually owning these items that they are selling. Basically, what's happening here is these guys outsource some of these products from places like AliExpress, Alibaba, and all they do is list them on their websites. People purchase and they sell them for a little higher price, covering shipping and all the handling costs and ads, and whatever is on top is the profit that these guys earn from this. So this is an example of an e-commerce store. It's got a lot of products that you can ship. Shopping Droid. So if we click on this, error establishing connection. So we can even come over here and check the top Shopify stores. These are the best e-commerce stores so far in 2019, and see what these guys had to sell. So like this one is into furniture. So these guys are selling furniture, as you can see. Probably maybe they are doing this from local, because when it comes to furniture, it's a really expensive deal if you have to ship it from outside. So last one is why you flip stuff on eBay. So we all know about ebay.com. People come over here and list stuff. You can basically go on Craigslist and find some really cheap stuff. So maybe say Craigslist Miami. And you can find a lot of stuff. Maybe say sell, like maybe say what's really interesting, maybe video gaming. So you look for some video gaming stuff depending on what you're into. So this guy is selling a PS4 Slim $150. You've got a Sony PS4 Pro 1TB. This should be a game, and it's going for like, yeah. So this basically includes a game console, and it's going at $90. So what you can do is you can easily purchase this, and when you go to, oh, I messed up. So when you go to ebay.com, which is eBay UK US and not eBay UK, what you can do is basically search for PS4 console. Once you search that up, it's going to bring you various results, and as you can see, these are, if we go to sold items, sold items. So if we click on sold items, we'll see how much these things sold for. So you'd find that most of these items sold for $200. There's nothing sold for $100. And this particular item that we were just looking at is going for $90. So you buy this for $90, you sell it for maybe $200. That's a lot of profit on top of that, despite the eBay paying fees and shipping and handling. And you still get at least, you can't get less than $80 off of this sale. So it's pretty much an easy game. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully to see you in the next video. Yeah, that's about it. Bye bye.